Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, can I register a trademark without a DBA? I have a YouTube baking channel where I share recipes and tutorials named XYZ Sweets. Not the real name. I came up with a product and I want to trademark its name. Can I register under my YouTube channel name XYZ Sweets even though I never registered it as a DBA? Okay, so I think what you're asking is, can you file for a trademark for your product name and list your YouTube channel's name as the owner? Okay, so when you file a trademark, you have to tell them who the owner is. And there is spaces where you could put like your legal name, and then it has the options of DBA or AKA, and you could do that, put in the YouTube channel name, and then underneath that mark sole proprietorship, assuming you don't have an entity, because it doesn't sound like it. That's a whole other issue that I recommend you go deal with. So is it possible to do something like that? Yes. But I expect that they would want to know your personal name as well as your channel name, just so that there is a digital trail back to who actually is the owner if they're looking for a person, because DBAs for a sole proprietorship are an individual, not a business entity. So yeah, so I hope that answers your question. You can always go to the USPTO website. They have some pretty decent tutorials, or you can call them up if you don't want to hire an attorney. But of course, for trademarks, I actually do recommend that you get an attorney just because they're a little bit complicated. The filing fees at least $225, and I hate seeing people in situations where they basically waste the filing fee because they tried to do it themselves and they did it wrong. So that's my recommendation for this person or anyone in this type of situation. Of course, watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship. It's merely legal information, not legal advice. If you need legal advice, go hire somebody. I put out new content every week, so please subscribe to the channel. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.